Loving Ice Farm. Happy Thanksgiving. Let the mamas and the babies out today. At the moment, trying to keep them separated because the babies keep getting confused with all the goats and following wrong goats. So, got them out so mamas can do some browsing and the babies are trying new stuff. And hey, Pebbles. Pebbles, if you remember me saying, Purdy is Pebbles' daughter from about almost 4 years ago. So, thinking about names, and they look so much alike. The two boys that are the black and white, I'm going to name them, I think, Thunder and Storm. And then the two little girls, I kind of like Sable for that one. And haven't come up with a name for that one yet. It'll be nice. But, yeah. Just names because I like names. Anyway, so I've got them over here. And the rest of the herd is over there. Just, I mean, because when they get together, oh my goodness, I get baby goats that are confused. It's like, you're walking up to the doggy. Yay. Yeah, it's just, and she's so pretty. She's so pretty. That is not your mama. And the cats decided to come out with me today too. It's FB and Artie. And here comes Fish. Hey, Fish. The other two ran back up there. Cleo and Tuffy. So, yes, they're getting some outside time. And they're getting some outside time. So, but anyway, wanted to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. May your turkey be moist and the rest of it all good. Ta-ta from Kentucky.